Hi traders, welcome back to JJP Trading Academy. In this video, we are going to see about one of the important tool which we are going to do the backtest for options. So this is one of the platform StockMark. So previously we have worked with TradingView strategies continuously. We have posted all the strategies related to TradingView, and we have also posted the informations about connecting the automation between TradingView to TradeTron and TradingView to NextLBot. So these are all the strategies we provide directly in TradingView, but we don't know the backtest of the options. So till now, what are all the strategies we have done, and we have explained you about the backtest, right? So that is totally dependent upon the index market, so bank nifty index as well as nifty index. So according to this only we have done the backtest, and as per that only we got the backtest from the TradingView platform. Even TradingView platform does not have the option data, so that only we could not do the analysis directly in the options, because option data is more curious, because getting each and every week expiry as well as every month expiry details of the backtest is very difficult for the platform. So now we have came up with another platform. In this video we are going to see about StockMark. So StockMark is one of the backtesting and analyzing platform. This platform directly provides the option data. So through this option data you can keep what are all the conditions for option selling as well as option buying, and you can check whether the strategy is worthable or not. If you are doing with the long term period also, you can see the full backtest and deploy. Basically what are all the strategies till now we have seen, every strategies we are showing the backtest, then only we are going for the automation process. So once the strategy backtest is enough, perfect, then only we are going to implement, because blindly implementing is not good for a professional trader. If you are a professional trader, if you want to know the strategy backtest, first of all go for any backtesting platform. That is more important to enter into a trading with the best professional manner. So now I am just going to explain about StockMark, what is the platform this, and how are all we are going to do the backtesting, and what are all the conditions we can do with this platform. If you are having your friend with option buying or option selling trader, you just share this video to know how the StockMark platform is working. And in this video totally we are going to discuss about the StockMark platform. And if you have not subscribed to our channel till now, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell button, then only you will be receiving the upcoming video updates of our channel. If you want to get access with the high accuracy and highly filtered perfect automated trading strategies, then WhatsApp us right now on 7200556708, because already we are providing the strategies, what are all the high accuracy strategies, and we are filtering out every strategies and perfectly making the traders to get directly interacted with the automation process. So automation trader is one of the trader who directly see the backtest, and as per that only we are going to implement the strategy. So if you want to see the backtest, you can WhatsApp us right now and see the strategy backtest, and just analyze all our strategies and make the perfect investment as per your trading style. As per your trading style, which strategy suits for you, you can deploy the strategy. We are giving it in the same package. So all the strategies we will be giving up to you in the same package in TradingView platform. As per that, you can also do automation with the TradeTron platform as well as NextLBot platform. If you want to know more details about the strategies, you can also see the previous videos which we have explained about our strategies. So now we are going to see about the StockMark platform. So actually this StockMark platform is providing you all the data regarding to Bank Nifty index, Bank Nifty as well as Nifty and Fin Nifty. So Fin Nifty is nothing but CNX Finance. You will be seeing in TradingView CNX Finance. So this is one of the index as similar to Nifty. So now in this platform you can see the backtest, but they are charging somewhat. So in the TradingView platform there is a fixed charges for chart viewing as well as backtesting. If you are a premium user, you will be getting the long-term backtest. So like this, here they are charging somewhat credits, so they will be giving a credit. So each and every backtest once you run, somewhat the credits will be deducted. So this is how they are charging in StockMark platform. So once you do the full analysis, after keeping all the conditions criteria here, you can just go for a start backtest. So this is how the start backtesting will be, and the backtesting is almost providing all the details of the strategy, how much win rate, how much the drawdown happened, every details perfectly it's given by this platform. So just we can see an example right now. First of all, so I am just clicking the defaultly available strategies. So all know this type of strategies for short straddle. this is one of the basic strategies for option selling. So these are the basic strategies for hedging as well as option selling. So if you want to go with this type of strategies also, you can go as which is provided in the default, but you should analyze the strategies first of all. If you are deploying this type of strategy, you just make analysis, and if it is not worthy for your investment, then don't go with these strategies. Just to make a normal and basic strategies. Surely we will be making more videos about stock market, and we will be explaining about the basic strategies which will be making you good returns year by year. So we will be also making the videos to explain about the strategy. So in this video I'm just going to explain how the strategy you want to backtest. So first of all, in this positions, so once you go up, you will be getting an option in the home. So if you are in a home, you will be getting the position. So in here only we are going to add the positions like Bank Nifty strategy or Nifty strategy. First of all, if you want to go with the Fin Nifty, means there is no charges for the backtesting. For Fin Nifty there is no charges for the backtesting, so you can also do the backtest directly. So whatever the backtest you are doing, there will be no deduction in the credits. So now I am just going to keep Fin Nifty and options and call option. If you are going to sell, if you want to go with the option selling, then you can go, as well as you can also choose the strike price here itself. If you are trading with option selling, then actually the for call option -100 is our ITM strike price. Actually for selling, basically we can do with OTM strike price. So every details you can give here itself. If you want to choose the you will be getting an option here, ATM point, ATM percent. ATM percent means how much the strike price should be from the ATM strike price. So this is what ATM percent, as well as closest premium. Closest premium is nothing but it will be saying you the nearest rate of the premium. So like this, for example, if I am giving the closest premium should be less than or equal to 25, then the strike price should be less than 25, the premium of the strike price, the current market price it's running of the strike price. It will be checking whether it is equal to 25 or it should be nearer to the less than 25. It should not be greater than, so it should be less than. So like this, it will be checking whether the closest premium is there or not. So this condition will be more helpful for the traders somewhat. If you are doing with Bank Nifty, for example, I am just going with Bank Nifty. In Bank Nifty, you will be checking whether the strike price should be 150, right? For example, I just need to trade only with the strike prices of 150 and 150 below. So in this type of conditions, you can just give 150 and 150 below. So and you can choose the lot size and weekly expiry, everything okay. Then go for the add position. So now you have given the strategy here. So now you can give many conditions, that if you are having only one option selling here, in the same time you can also go with another put option also. At the same time, if I want to make another leg, that I am just going to sell put option at the same time with the same premium as well as every condition same, and I am just adding. So 2 positions has been added right now. So now you can just give a condition that it should enter in 920 candle or whatever the timing, it just need to enter into the trade. So 915 candle has been removed from this because 915 candle has some more volatility. So they have given us an opportunity to filter the volatility, so that just stock market has stopped considering the 915 candle. You can see here for data for practical results. Okay, so now we are just going up with 150 below strike price, two positions we have right now, and square of one leg. So this condition is useful if any leg stop loss or target profit condition is met, then only that leg will be squared up. If the stop loss or target we are giving here, so we can easily give the target here actually. So target for the strike price directly we are going to give and do the backtest. So you can see I am just giving the target price as 50% from the entry point. Okay, and the stop loss also will be 50%. For example, I am just doing a small strategy so that you can analyze how the strategy backtest is working here. So I have just given the trail stop loss available here. So trail stop loss will be helpful for every traders. So once the market moves in our side, we will be trailing the stop loss from our entry point, right? So that trailing you can use it directly here. So like percentage or point base you can do it here. So for example, if the instrument moves this much points, this much percentage, that is if the instrument has been moved for 0.3%, then move the stop loss to 0.1. So this type of trailing you can do here and in normal trailing, and you can give the exit of the strategy and same day intraday as well as next day you can also do it here. And this condition you are having below strategy target profit as well as strategy stop loss. So both the leg combined together, it will be checking for the stop loss as well as target. So once you include the stop loss that I should not exceed more than 1500 rupees. This is for both the combined. If you are working with both option selling, call option as well as put option entered here. So once both the positions are running, you just need to exit your position if the max loss of the strategy is exceeding 1500. Then you can give the condition here stop loss, that is strategy stop loss point. You can stop loss, you can give it as 1500. That's all. Okay. And here another option is available. This will be more useful for you because as an if you are want to trail the position as per your portfolio result. So portfolio result, it will be reflecting as per the two strategy deployment right now. So this strategy profit maximum, if it is reaching the profit of 1000 rupees, I just need to lock the profit of 450. If the target is reaching, that is if the current portfolio is running with 1000 rupees profit, then I just need to fix my minimum profit just 450 and I am just locking the profit. And if each and every 100 points after reaching 1000, then if each and every 100 points if the profit is increasing, then I just need to trail with 50. So like this you can give, but for example you can just give maximum 100 here. This is fixed and I am just giving here 300 for each and every 300 extra profit after the 1000 reached, it will be trailing that lock profit 100 minimum. So this is how the trailing will be helpful for each and every one, because both the leg combined this trailing is working, so it will be more helpful. So I'm just saving this tag. I'm just saving it's test one. Okay, so any name you can save. The strategies has been saved, and if you want to do the backtest, go for the strategy backtest. So I'm just giving with so for FinNifty we can go for free. There is no charges for FinNifty backtesting. You can easily go with FinNifty directly. So I'm just start backtesting. So it will be taking some time to generate the backtest. After backtest, you can see every details of the strategy. So now you can see. So basically 0.5% is already added for the option strategy. So every time the slippages will be happening. Even though if you deploy this strategy in live market, you will be having some slippages. So that only this platform has directly 0.5% slippages they have given here in every strategy backtest. So you can also increase the slippages here. And now you are seeing the full backtest, that is the estimated charges to deploy the both lots. So two lots we have seen here, that is a call option as well as put option. So every estimated margin they have given is 1.34 lakhs is enough to trade with this, as well as overall profit is 32%, and they are also providing average day profit. So continuously as per how much days it has been implemented, and averagely 262 rupees profit average. So like this you can go, and max profit 4676. So as per this strategy 4676 one of the max profit, and max loss is 1500. Because the max loss we have restricted here, that is max. So total MTM should be minus 1500. So if it is 1500, then it will be squared off. So this strategy max loss is maintaining here, and this strategy is maintaining almost 63% win rate. So 104 win days as well as 61 losing days. So everything is very important, as well as if you want to see a good strategy, at least it should have the drawdown ratio below 5, it's enough. As well as if it is below 3, it's good, it's more good. So then this is how the max drawdown you should see for the strategy, because continuous drawdown stop loss hunt of the strategy is noted here, that is max drawdown, as well as max drawdown days recovery, that is how much days it will be taking to recover the strategy is 8 days. Just it took 8 days to recover this losses. So max drawdown is loss. So continuous drawdown days is 6 days for this strategy, and max winning streak, it will be showing you the continuous winning streak, how much days continuously it has been win. So 11 days continuously the strategy has ended up with profit. So this is how strategy backtest will be provided, as well as you can also see the return of investment of each and every year as well as month, and you can see day wise. So Monday how the strategy has been worked, you can continuously see and analyze that whether the strategy is working only perfectly in Thursday. So Thursday market the strategy is working very good. So as per this you can do the backtest, as well as you can see the monthly breakup. So monthly breakup will be provided. So now you are seeing the backtest for Fin Nifty very less. So Fin Nifty backtest is very less for this platform. You can go with Bank Nifty and Nifty. You can also see almost 3 to 4 years for in this platform. So now we are seeing the Fin Nifty for the last 2022. We are seeing for 3 months, as well as they are providing for 2023 for till June. So this is how the backtest, and you are getting the full ROI, how much returns of investment you have got from the investment. Okay, so now you can also see each and every day how the strategy has been run. Every details will be provided by this platform. So this is why I have made this video, because this platform will be more useful for each and every traders who are struggling to do the backtest normally, because TradingView there is no way to do the backtest for options, but now you can easily do the backtest with this platform. I hope this platform will be helpful for every option traders. Basically option trader need to see the strategies, strangle or straddle, whatever they are doing, they just need to know how the strategy is working. So this is the motive I have done this video. I hope this video will be helpful for every option traders. If you have not subscribed to our channel till now, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell button. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Thank you traders.